Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can export and download your edited videos on CapCut browser. I'm just going to quickly quickly add in a random effect onto the video. I'm just going to add that one and like this one. I'm just going to also adjust the effect as well. And then I'm just going to press export. Okay, press export, and then you're going to name the file. You can also adjust the resolution. I'm just going to do 180p. You can also adjust the advanced settings here. Format MP4 and press export. And let's just wait for the video to export. It does take longer than it does on the CapCut app. So I will be right back. I'm just going to pause this for a sec. Bro, just as I said, it's done. Actually, it doesn't take that long. It just doesn't show up. It just looks like it's stuck on 0%. So we're just going to press download here. And basically, it's going to be downloaded. As you can see, it has been downloaded. But it's probably going to be here because I use another app to download stuff. So that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!